Growing up, I did not understand. I did not understand why my brother was different. I did not understand why he acted the way he did. For the longest time, I was the youngest in the family, and therefore the most innocent. All I could understand was that something was wrong. He had a piece missing. Now, looking back, I can see how truly naive I was. I looked at my brother as a hindrance, an obstacle, rather than as what he really is, a teacher, a hero. There was more than one time that I quickly became annoyed with my brother for his lack of communication, his inability to do things that I thought were simple. When I thought about it, though, I realized that it was not his inabilities that I should focus on, but instead on what he could do. It was then that I learned my first lesson from my brother. It is not the difficult things that are important. It is how hard we try to do simple tasks. In this realization itself, I learned another lesson. Knowledge can come from the least expected places. What I thought was impossible was actually happening. I was learning from my brother, my mentally challenged brother. Now, I understand and can honestly say that I believe the most important lessons can come from the least expected places. For a long time now, I have battled to get people to stop using the word retard improperly. My peers often ask why, but to me the reason is simple. I grew up watching mentally challenged children fight in an attempt to remain an active part of society. Therefore, I do not think that calling an object retarded is quite the right comparison. In my life, I am yet to see a retarded individual engage in an activity that was not carefully planned and efficiently executed. Therefore, I look at retarded kids for what they really are, an inspiration. People often forget how close we all are. With over 98% of our DNA in common, what separates a normal person from a retarded person is just a few sequences of DNA out of trillions. It is only recently that I have discovered why people are so quick to let slip the word retard in a conversation. It is because they lack the personal experience necessary to better understand children with mental deficiencies. To those people, I ask this of you. Do not use the word until you spend more time around some of these amazing and inspiring individuals. If, after your experience, they have not managed to change you, then perhaps I am wrong. However, I ask you not to forget that knowledge can come from the least expected places.